Alright guys, sorry about that with the meeting lagging out. I'm just going to finish up these notes and I'll send this video and the other one out for you. You don't have to send me anything letting me know you've watched this, just you might need it for doing the problems that you'll have this week. So there's one more thing that we did not get to. Parabolas, I've already shown you, parabolas can open upward or downward. So you can have a parabola that looks like this, that opens upward. Sometimes I call those the smiley face or the happy face parabolas. You can also have parabolas that look like this, that open downward.
Can I show them down cross? Can I show them down cross one
No,
time?
not yet. Alright, so if the x squared term is positive, the parabola opens upward. If the x squared term is negative, the parabola opens downward. Let's do a few of these. So we're supposed to tell whether each parabola opens upward or downward. So we're just going to find the x squared term. Right here we've got our x squared. And we're going to look at the coefficient in front of it. If that number is positive, then it opens upward. So we've got 3, which is positive. So number 1, that one opens upward. For number 2, we're finding the x squared term. Right here it is. We're going to look right in front of it. We see a negative. So this one is going to open downward.
I'll say hey to them.
Alright, say hello to them real quick.
Hey.
Okay, Henry tells y'all hello. Alright, for number 3, we're going to look for our x squared. There it is. In front of that we have a negative, so number 3 opens downward. And number 4, they can't see you, honey. This is a video, okay? And number 4, they can't see it, honey. It's a video of the screen. And number 4, we have a 3 in front of our x squared, and so that is going to open upward because we have a positive there. I didn't put any right here, but you might see some that look like this. Let's make an example 5. You could see one like this, y equals x plus 2 times 4 minus x. Now, you can't tell whether this opens or upward or downward like it is. So what you would have to do is you would have to distribute. So you'd get 4x minus x squared plus 8 minus 2x. And so now you can tell that you've got a negative right there in front of your x squared. So this would be one that opens downward. Okay, so on your assignments that you'll have this week, it'll go into intercepts a little bit more. One more thing to show you on your Delta Math. If you're asked for a y-intercept of an equation that looks like this, y equals x plus 2 times x minus 3, like that. If you're asked for the y-intercept, you're plugging in 0 for the x. So you would... in these, you would either need to multiply out, or you can just plug in 0 for the x. 0 plus 2 times 0 minus 3. And you're going to get 0 plus 2 is 2. And 0 minus 3 is negative 3. And so 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So you would have a y-intercept of 0, negative 6. You might see that this week as well. It might be a little bit different. So hopefully that helps as far as doing the work for the rest of the week. As far as your work goes, let's just look real quick at what you've got. If the daggone internet will work.
I got Crocs on.
Okay, internet's not working. Right, but let me see if I can find that list. So this week, tomorrow you're going to have a assignment on Desmos Classroom, so look through that. And I think you have a Delta Math. I can't remember off the top of my head, and it won't let me go to look at it. But make sure you look at Canvas and get those done. If you have any questions, let me know.